Hello chemists, I Jose Rodriguez. I am back to present another lab with you guys. So this time we're doing 6-4 predicting the equivalence point. So in this assignment we'll be given 0.300 molarity of HCl, which is hydrogen chloride, and 0.300 molarity of sodium hydroxide. So we'll predict the equivalence points and then perform the titration to check our prediction. So we start the virtual chem lab as always. Select acid-base chemistry, and then select predicting the equivalence points 1 from the list of assignments. So the burette is filled with 0.300 molarity of sodium hydroxide, and the beaker has 25.00 milliliters of 0.300 molarity of hydrogen chloride. The pH meter is turned on and has been calibrated. So then we have to predict what volume in milliliters of 0.300 molarity of sodium hydroxide is required to titrate the 25.00 milliliters of 0.300 molarity of hydrogen chloride to the equivalence point. So for that formula, we use M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2. So molarity times volume 1, then molarity 2 times volume 2. So with that, we multiply 0.300 times 25.00 equals 0.300 times V2. And then when you solve the equation, it comes out to be volume equals 25 milliliters. Then we move on to what volume of the 0.300 milliliters sodium hydroxide has required by the titration to reach the equivalence point, and it was 25.89 milliliters. Then finally, we have to calculate the percent error of the predicted volume using the formula. So as always, we use the percent error equals absolute value, your predicted answer, minus your actual answer, over your predicted answer, times 100. Here's the formula for you guys. Check it out. So then you input 25 minus the 25.89 that we got on the previous question in the absolute value brackets over 25 times 100. And the percent error, once you calculate it, comes out to be 3.56%. And that is my lab. Shorter lab this time. Thank you guys.